I'm Zachary Henson, and my special event is the Mars Hill Basketball Shootout Tournament. This tournament is designed to be a fundraiser for the basketball team and also to bring awareness to cancer. My mission statement is, let's raise awareness for cancer and have a great time. Where will this take place? It'll be taking place in Chambers main and aux gym on the Mars Hill campus. It will also happen on November 6th, which is a Saturday of next year. The reason that we have chosen for this tournament or fundraiser is to bring pancreatic cancer awareness, as November is the month for pancreatic cancer. We also like to raise money for the Mars Hill basketball team in their new locker room. Also, as an incentive to come watch or be there and participate, we will also be giving out 15 raffle tickets before each game, and at halftime we will announce 4 winners, and they will win free food at the concession stands. How to get in the game. Starting at the beginning of next year, the school year, we will be sending out emails in the daily announcements that will help you register if you would like to participate in this 5-on-5 basketball tournament. The registration fee is $5 per team, and we're looking at 8 to 9 players on a team, so it's like less than $5 per person. This tournament will be open to students, faculty, and staffs. If you'd like to play, volunteer, or watch. And for more information, I've also partnered with the Student Life at Mars Hill, and they will be posting more information on their Instagram. For the rules, we're going to have 8 players on a team, or you need 8 to have a team. Each team will be assigned a faculty or staff member that has agreed to be in this tournament or that would like to play a tournament. I even think Dr. Anderson will be in here. The game will run on a 2 10-minute half system, and obviously you have to, whoever scores the most wins. Basic basketball rules applied. Instead of 3 officials, there'll be 2. And just bring your best sportsmanship and your will to have a good time. For setup details, they'll also be in our announcement in the daily announcements. We're accepting volunteers to come through and help us, but the basketball team will help set up as this is their fundraiser. But if you would like to volunteer, we will also have pizza if you volunteer to help. You are more than welcome to share the food with us and enjoy as we set up for this great fundraiser. So the day before the fundraiser, we will start set up at 5 p.m. on Friday. We will set up the chairs and lay down the tapes for the courts in the main gym. We will have 2 courts instead of 1. We'll be going side to side. And then about 5:30, we will make sure we have pumped the balls up and set up the basketballs on the rack. Saturday, we will be arriving at 12 a.m. Our volunteers will be arriving at 12 a.m. We will also have a sports trainer. Caleb has agreed to help us with this one. And we will be making sure we have ice in the coolers and water for the teams. And we'll reset those up every game. And at 1 p.m., we will be raffling the different teams to see who plays who in the different rounds of each round robin. And at 1:30, let the games begin. The goals for this fundraiser, since this is in the month of November, is Pancreatic Cancer Awareness Month. The basketball team came together and agreed that this is what they wanted to fundraise for. So 50% will go to funds for pancreatic cancer research at the Mission Hospital in Asheville. And they have agreed to help cater the food from Chick-fil-A for us. We will also be giving out purple ribbons to help bring awareness while we are playing and watching the games. And on the other half, the fundraiser for the basketball team, we will be getting money that goes towards the new locker room that they'll be using next season. Our evaluation will also be sent out through the daily announcements. If you participated or were there, we will give incentives to do it. And that is it. Thank you for listening.